Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You should begin by confirming your account type and current Connect balance so you know how many you need. Once done, buy Connects directly from your Upwork wallet or via a linked payment method. This is faster than waiting for the monthly refresh. Make sure your email is verified and your payment method is active so purchases clear without delay. You'll save time and avoid blocked bids. Track the cost per Connect so you can budget for the number of proposals you plan to send. You should now focus on maximizing value for each Connect you spend by evaluating job fit carefully. Check required skills, budget, and timeline before you click apply. Once you identify a good lead, write a targeted proposal and attach specific portfolio pieces that show you can solve their problem. This improves your win rate per Connect. Make sure to prioritize clients with a hiring history or verified payment. These increase the chance your investment returns value. You should finish by tracking how many Connects you spent versus jobs won so you can refine your strategy going forward. Once done, request a refund only for duplicate or erroneous charges and keep screenshots or timestamps as evidence. This speeds resolution. If something goes wrong with billing or the platform, contact Upwork support through the chat and escalate with documentation. Make sure to adjust your bidding frequency and proposal quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.